everybody, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Monday. Hope everyone had a good weekend so far. Everybody is safe. We got a new week ahead of us right now. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. And you guys can check them out. Link will be down below, where you get one of these at a low cost and see what other goodies they have to offer. So I'm about to open this box up. Here we go. There's a cut. And rip. Let's see what they have to offer us. Oh boy. Another package. Take that out. This is from CUH. Chargeable. I believe it's CUH rechargeable channel free case. So take a look at this. There we go. Alright. Inside. Drop you guys down. See what this is. Whoa. Alright. I think I remember. It's one of those like for back pains, neck pains. You got a USB cord. This thing is helpful. We got the plugs, and you just hook them up to your body parts, and whatever is in pain, you just like zap it, and it goes away. So this would be a nice Christmas gift. Anyone stocking stuffer. See, these are the pads. You stick it to your arm, your hands, your feet. And it comes with a nice little satchel bag. And here we go. We got some goodies here too. What is this? Please paste the pads on two sides. Finishing massage. Okay. Oh, two sides of the board. Okay. What do we got here? 16 modes massager. Alright. So it's a little travel massager. Got different modes to choose from. Really cool. There's a lot of good stuff. Let's see. So we're gonna hook it up to. So we got different pads for your joints, for your back, for your neck and your back. Oh, it should be easy to turn on. Whoa. It's a nice screen right there. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Holy moly. Got the feet. You got the back. Okay, just move it up. So back. You can do a kneading on the feet, the joints, the hands. It looks like it may be rough. Alright, let's hook this up. I'm curious. We'll do one right now to test it out. So this is definitely a cool device. Remember, it's for temporary fixing. That'll help you out. Get through the day. Especially if you're staying at your desk job. And this would be quite useful. I'll do these guys. These two little pads. So it's really cool. Easy to set up. Get down to the package. There we go. There we go. Oh, sticky stuff right here. That goes here. Then you plug it in. Make sure it. Oh, come on. There we go. You heard the snap. It's locked in. See, you got this guy go say right here you want it, slap it on there. Then take the other one. Where did it go? Where did it go? Right here. Say your wrist is hurting from oh, Jesus. Holy moly. I shocked myself. That was a nice little jolt. Holy smokes. Let me unplug that first. I don't want to do that again. Whoa. That did not feel good. Alright, we're back. We are live. There we go. Okay, ducky. So you take this, smack right there. Smack it. Uh-oh. Right here. So, have these, whatchamacallit. Make sure this is off, like unplugged. Then you put it on. Okay, we're going to shut that off because I don't want to get shocked again. Because boy, oh boy, I felt that. Sure. Definitely awake. Alright, now we turn it on. Alright, let's see. Oh, side A. And we want side B. Oh yeah, I feel it. Holy moly. Oh. This has definitely helped the knee joints out. I could feel it through my arm. You gotta make an intensity level higher. Whoa. I don't know if you guys could hear it. Hopefully you could hear it. But man, oh man, this thing is crazy. And then we'll try on that one. Okay, that's like the thumping, like the heartbeat kind of. Wow. Intensify it. It's like a little shock. Kind of cool. That's on the feet, relaxing, so you can put it on your feet, but it's kind of my hand right now for a demo. Here we go. Ooh. That's pretty intense. Number 5. Oh yeah, I feel that one. 7. I can imagine having 2 of these hooked up. Oh man. Definitely a nice little tool to have around the house. Just want to relax a little, watch some TV, hook this up too, or like I said, if you're at your desk job, hook this up for a few. You'll be good to go. Ooh, I feel that one. It's number 8. Number 9. It's pretty intense, the vibration, but it feels good. Feel no pain. Oh yeah, right there, I feel it. And 11. The dump. And dump. Ooh, got that one. Here's for the feet. Ankle area. Oh, oh yeah, I feel that. That was kind of tight. It kind of tightens the muscle. That was pretty intense. This is not too bad. And I think this is the one that does all of them. There's timers you can set, so you can have 47 minutes up to whatever you're choosing. So really cool device right here. I'm gonna take it off my arm now. So that is pretty intense. My hand feels a little different on this. Definitely YouTubers, check them out. Link will be down below where you can get one at a low cost. And it's CUH. Alright, YouTubers, be safe, have a good day, and see ya.